Alright, Freddie Sherman here, out working on my 1968 Firebird. And wanted to talk today about the importance of using OEM or even original parts when you replace stuff on your vintage classic muscle car. So I'm gonna lift the hood here, and for some reason, I can't remember why, I had to replace one of my hood hinges. So that is an original hood hinge that came with the car, and this is a hood hinge that I bought a few years ago on eBay as a new one, as a new aftermarket one. Hold on. So this is an aftermarket one that I bought on eBay for probably $30, maybe $50, including shipping. And what has happened is, over the years, as the lubrication lessened, when I tried to open and close this, look how that cheap, almost sheet metal thing has bent. And so the hood is off, and you can see that the support there is just completely bent. See that? And it's bent because look how thin that is. Look how thin the metal is. It's almost sheet metal thin. And again, that's the cheap aftermarket one. So to replace it, I went on eBay and I got an original one from another 1968 Camaro or Firebird. And I want to show you quickly the difference. You know, this is that part. Look how thick that metal is compared to the aftermarket one. That's not going to bend like that one. So now my project is, I'm going to see if I can replace the one hood hinge while leaving the other one on, which I think mainly involves being able to take those springs off. So the original one was about $60, maybe $80 with shipping, or $50, and it was, I think, $75 with shipping on eBay. And these are all interchangeable for most GM cars from that year. Okay, so that's the project, to replace that cheap aftermarket one, and just letting you guys know why it's so important to try to use OEM, which are original, new but original equipment parts, or just find the vintage parts on eBay or something like that.